Remi human hair. It is not necessarily a lace front through and through. It has a lace L parting, which means, let me see if I can bring out. This parting right here is your parting. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but that's your parting. And this wig was originally $89. I got it for $36. Now the texture is a perm yaki texture, and this is 18 inches of hair. It might not look like 18 inches in the front, but it's definitely 18 in the back. And I like the hair. When I first put this wig on, I did not like it because I was like, this is like my texture. This is my hair blowed out. But then the more I wore the wig and thought about it, I was like, okay, this is my texture blowed out. This is how I would wear my hair if it was blew out. And the hair is really soft. It really feels like natural blown out hair. You can curl this hair. You can I think, yeah, you can curl this hair. I don't know about dyeing or anything. It doesn't say anything about dyeing it or anything, so I don't know if you can dye this hair. But it says 100% Remi human hair, so I'm assuming that you can dye it. It is in the color number 1. As you can see, I'm not getting any tangles from this hair. No shedding whatsoever. Like, this hair do not shed. And this hair moves. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. And that is the back of the hair. That is all the hair in the back. This hair, it has a really thick density. So if you don't like a lot of hair, this wig is definitely not the hair for you. But I'm loving this wig. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And if I decide in the future to go in and straighten it out, which I probably won't because I like the texture, I'll probably like kind of frame that bang a little bit more. But other than that, it's not really much I want to do to this unit but rock it like this. And like I said, this was Outre's velvet Remi perm yaki in the number 18. It came with 2 combs here, your adjustable straps, a comb in the back, and your ear tabs. My only con about this wig was when it said lace front, I wish it would have been lace through and through the whole wig, or at least gave me 4x6 lace, because this is the hairline. That's the hairline. That's a lot of hair. So I ain't even got the wig on all the way, but that's a lot of hair. So you really can't see the hairline no way. So I don't know why it's bothering me, but it is. Also, this is hard lace. This is not Swiss lace. This is a very hard lace. But if you don't mind that and you're not real picky about your lace, then you should be all right. But yes, definitely go check out Loco Beauty. I will put the code that I used in the description box. And like I said, I paid $36 for this unit. I really like it. And we're finna get into the next one by Outre. Okay, y'all, I am back. So I moved it so y'all can move my camera so y'all can see the lighting the hair real good. Okay, so this is Yaki 18 by Outre, and it is the velvet Remi. And this is the color DR27. As you know, when they mix their DR27s, honey, they mix them good. Because they get it on the root and everything all throughout the wig. That is one of the things that I love about their units. Now, let's talk about this unit. First of all, this unit is a lot more thinner than the unit I had on before. But you can expect that. I'm trying to fix that bang how I want it. But you can kind of expect that, considering the fact that the other one was more of a blowout natural hair texture. And this is more like a perm kind of situation. Now, what I will say is I like the layers that they put in here. I will definitely have to go in there and bump this wig just because of the way they had it packaged. As you can see, right there, the wave pattern is not to my liking. So I will have to go in there and bump it. I don't know if I'm gonna clip this bang or kind of frame that bang or not yet. I might just rock it like that. I'm not sure. You don't get much parting. That's the parting, and that's without me plucking. So I will probably go in there and just pluck a little hairs out of there, not much, because one thing I will tell you about these wigs, you're not gonna be able to do a lot of plucking with these units, on the strength that they got the tracks like super close to the part. So there's not much plucking that you can do with this unit without messing it up. So I'm gonna do some very light plucking. I love the feel of this hair. Have not received any shedding. I'm rubbing my hands through it. No tangling, no nothing. The color is very, 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 very pretty. I'm loving it. I did get this in a burgundy color as well as a black color. I bought 2 of the Yaki textures. I bought this. And I bought 2 of the Yaki textures. I bought this in a DR425, which is a burgundy color, and a 1B, because you always gotta have a 1B, honey. Do not buy a wig and don't get a 1B. If you're gonna buy color, also buy the natural black or the brown color too. It's just something about those colors as well to have in your arsenal. But yeah, I'm loving this hair. Like I said, it's the same as the other wigs. Standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, your ear tabs. This is it's a lace front wig, but it only has a 1 side parting, and that is your right side. You can only part this wig on your right side. Like I said, I am gonna go in here and do some mild plucking, but plucking nonetheless, because I do want to open that part up just a little bit. And this is 18 inches as well, and that is the hair in the back. As you can see, I really love this unit because the hair does move. I love the fact that the hair moves. And I love the fact that I could put some heat to this hair. I am really getting into human hair wigs. So I've been experimenting with different brands. I don't care about the price. What I won't do is probably spend $400-$500 on a wig. But $36 for a human hair wig, and it's a Remi. I can't beat that. I'm really getting off into human hair wigs. This is kind of like pack hair. This is like Outre ด๊uversă or Premium Now by Sensational. I don't know about y'all, but I used to wear pack hair. Everybody don't want to wear pack hair no more. I don't know why. People done got bougie. But I still will wear pack hair because, number 1, it's affordable, and it's just as good as the damn bundles. Y'all get off of it. Well, you know what? It's your coin. You spend your coin how you want to. But I'm going to say, for me, I'm not hopped up on having to have bundles. That's just not, I'm not impressed by them, okay? I will wear pack hair. I will wear bundle hair. I will wear whatever. If it look good and it feel good and it's a good, nice quality to me, not to others, but to me, I'm a rock it. But yeah, I'm really loving this hair. I think it's a bomb. I'm definitely going to add some curls to it. Cannot wait to rock it. I love the way it looks against my skin. The color is just amazing. And yes, I got it in 2 other colors, and I'm loving it. Hubby loves me in blondes. He loves me in reds. He loves me in black. So that's why I was like, let me cop. When I got this and felt it, I was like, let me cop this. Don't get me wrong. I liked it, my Yaki texture one as well. My perm Yaki one, but I really, really like this one. And it's really, really bomb to me. So, yes. I might go in there and have my stylist put some layers in here, because I really like it. I don't want to cut it, because this is really how I used to wear my hair back in the day. I used to have a side part and just wear my hair down and just be gone. Like, this was me. It was easy. I'd unwrap my hair. So, that's why I said I'm going to put a little bump to it, because it reminds me of a wrap I used to do back in my 20s. She's 38 now, so, you know. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, Simply Key will always say you're beautiful because you simply are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.